Hello, this is Mrs. Hogg, and I just wanted to share a quick time saver tip. I learned this weekend, and I just thought it was so awesome that I thought I wanted to share with you. So, on Google Chrome, if you have lots of tabs that you need to open, you can make folders now. See, I have a folder called Daily Tab. All you have to do is right-click, and you go Add Folder. We're going to tell this one passwords. And then save. And it's probably, and then you move it to where you want to. But then you can drag all your bookmarks to the folder like that. And if you right click on the folder, you can click on open all 4 tabs. Like this one is called Daily Tabs, things I need every day. And it automatically opens all the tabs at one time. So a little time saver tip.